In this video we will discuss about HCP, hexagonal closely packed. In HCP structure 12 corner atoms and 2 base centered atoms and 3 complete atoms present inside the crystal. Coordination number: the HCP structure has 3 layers, namely bottom layer, top layer and middle layer. Let us consider 2 unit cells as shown in figure. In the bottom layer, the central atom has 6 nearest neighboring atoms in the same plane. Further, at a distance c by 2 from the bottom layer, there are 2 layers, one above and the other below the bottom layer, containing 3 atoms in each layer. In total, there are 12 nearest neighboring atoms. So coordination number is 12. Number of atoms per unit cell: each corner atom is shared by 6 surrounding unit cells. So number of atoms in the upper hexagonal plane of the unit cell due to corner atoms, 1 by 6 into 6, that is equal to 1. Number of atoms in the lower hexagonal plane of the unit cell due to corner atoms, 1 by 6 into 6 equal to 1. Each central atom in the upper and lower planes is shared by 2 unit cells. It means that the upper and lower planes contain half atom each. Total number of central atoms in both upper and lower planes is equivalent to 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1. There are 3 atoms at body of the unit cell which are not shared by any other adjacent unit cells. Total number of atoms in a HCP crystal is equivalent to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 equivalent to 6. Atomic radius: atoms touch each other along the edges of the hexagon. Thus, from the figure, the nearest neighboring distance A is equal to 2r. Atomic radius r is equivalent to A by 2. Atomic packing factor: the number of atoms per unit cell in HCP structure is 6. Volume of one spherical atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of all the atoms in the unit cell is 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius r is equal to A by 2. So what is your volume? 24 by 3 pi A by 2 the whole cube. Now this is your surface of the HCP, upper surface or lower surface, anything else. A is the edge, O is the midpoint. Okay, so AC and AB all are equivalent to A, and you are considering the line AA dash and OO dash. They are making the ortho center at X. The height CX equivalent to C by 2. From here, cos 30 equivalent to AA dash by AB. AA dash equivalent to AB cos 30. Since AB equivalent to A and cos 30 equivalent to root 3 by 2, so and AA dash equivalent to A root 3 by 2. So finally, substituting the value of AA dash equivalent to A root 3 by 2, we will get AX equivalent to 2 by 3 of AA dash. One can get AX equivalent to A by root 3. Similarly, from triangle AXC, AC squared is equivalent to AX squared plus CX squared. A squared equivalent to A by root 3 the whole squared plus XC squared. XC squared equivalent to A squared minus A squared by 3. Since XC equivalent to C by 2 or C by 2 the whole squared equivalent to 2A squared by 3, where C by A equivalent to 1.6329. APF: number of atoms per unit cell in unit cell into volume of one atom divided by volume of the unit cell. Now we will calculate the volume of HCP. So area of the triangle into 6 into height of the hexagon. Okay, so 1 by 2 into A root 3 by 2 into 6 into C. Since R is equivalent to A by 2, volume of all the atoms in the unit cell is equivalent to 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the R value and then find out the ratio. Since C by A equal to 1 by 6329 and APF is equal to 0.74. Comparison of crystal structures. So while comparing, we can get the volume of the unit cell A cube 3 root 3 A squared C by 2. Number of atoms per unit cell 1, 2, 4, 6. Coordination number 6, 8, 12, 12. Atomic radius a by 2, root 3, a by 4, root 2, a by 4 and a by 2. Packing factor 0.52, 0.68, 0.74 and 0.74. Thank you.